In this video, I'm going to be showing you 5 seeds you should be starting in April. These are some of the easiest and most important crops I start every spring if you want a strong and healthy garden this year. First up, tomatoes. April is the sweet spot for starting your tomatoes indoors, especially for zones 3 to 6. Plant your tomato seeds about a 1/4 inch deep. Too shallow, they will dry out fast. Tomatoes need bright light right away or they'll get leggy fast. This is the #1 mistake that beginners make, but you can fix the seedlings later by planting them deeper. Tomatoes can grow roots along their main stem. Not many plants let you do that. Next up, peppers. These take a long time to grow, so if you haven't started them, April is your last chance. Peppers love heat, and for the best germination, you want temperatures between 77 and 86 degrees Fahrenheit or 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. And be patient, peppers take longer to sprout, 7 to 14 days. Don't give up too early. A pro tip is I always use a heat mat for my peppers. It speeds up the germination like crazy. And a quick fact about the peppers, flowers can fall off if it's too cold or too hot. Now let's talk about something fast. Lettuce. This is perfect for April because lettuce actually prefers cooler weather. Too hot equals poor germination. You can start your lettuce indoors or direct sow it outside in April. Lettuce seeds do need light to germinate, so just press it into the soil when you're planting. Don't overcrowd, give each plant space to grow. Beginner tip, plant a little lettuce every 1 to 2 weeks so you don't get all your lettuce at once. Number 4, cucumbers. These grow fast. You can almost watch them grow daily. I use 3-inch cells to give my cucumbers the space they deserve. Plant the seeds half to 1 inch deep. Start them 3 to 4 weeks before transplanting. If you start them too early, they get root bound and struggle after transplanting. And the biggest of them all, broccoli. This is a cool season crop that does really well when it's started in April. You can start indoors now or plant outside as soon as the soil is workable. Broccoli definitely prefers cooler temperatures and it hates the heat, so getting it growing early is the key to a big head of broccoli. When it's too warm, it creates a weak plant, and broccoli tastes sweeter after a light frost because the starches turn into sugars. And one mistake I have made, don't let them get too big indoors or they won't grow after you transplant them. Younger plants adapt better outside. Quick question, what are you guys starting this month? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one. Pro tip, most beginners mess this up. They treat every seed the same, but each plant grows totally different. If you want a simple guide that tells you exactly when to plant everything in your garden, 35 of the world's most popular vegetables, check out my garden planting schedules for zones 3 to 9. It makes the whole gardening process way easier. And if this video helped you, hit the subscribe button because I post simple, beginner-friendly gardening videos. Now that you know 5 seeds you must be starting in April, would you like to find out the best seed starting setup that I've come across in the last 10 years? Check this video out next to find out how. See you in the next one.